Welcome back to Relive Campers. Today we're giving you an inside look at something we've been really excited to share. A full assembly of our all new campervan kitchen unit, now available from Relive Campers with free online customizer. Choose your colour scheme, click pay and we'll take care of the rest. This video shows a prototype being put together from scratch, but our final production units, they come pre-built, ready to install straight out the box. This one specifically for a VW short wheelbase, but adaptations can be made upon request. Here's where the magic starts. Once you've chosen your finish, we load your selected colour board straight into the CNC machine. This is where precision meets creativity. Each panel is cut to exact templates using digital files perfected over dozens of builds. This means every curve, slot and screw hole is bang on. No guesswork, no wobbly fits. Once the parts are cut, they're cleaned up, sanded smooth and ready to move on to the next phase, assembly. This is the part we love. It all comes together like a satisfying 3D puzzle. Honestly, it's kind of like building really stylish IKEA furniture, except way sturdier, and we actually read the instructions. And out we go, removing the film for a clean finish. Every joint slots into place with a satisfying click, then gets locked in tight, built to handle the bumps, turns and spontaneous detours of van life. Relive's built a whole range of kitchen units, and we're only getting faster and more creative each time. Once it's locked in, this thing is rock solid. No rattles, no shifting, just a clean custom unit ready to roll with you on any adventure. Let's take a closer look at what really makes this kitchen shine, starting with deep Dometic fridge with freezer compartment, designed to keep your food in place through tight corners. Pairing this up with a Dometic sink and hob combo with heat resistant glass cover, featuring dual burners, electric ignition and fold away tap. As for storage, we have that covered with cutlery drawer, deep under unit cupboards and a large storage locker at the rear for everything else you need for a perfect getaway. Everything's soft close and super smooth. It's built to handle daily use. All this can be yours with your choice of colours to really make the van your own. Once you finish with a new customization tool, with choices of colours, finishes and more, you might want to check out the rest of Relive's website. This site now features a growing lineup of premium campervan gear, including storage solutions, fun add-ons and a range of awnings to suit any setup. From quick deploy side awnings to full enclosures, Relive's got you covered, literally. If you're serious about building a van that works as hard as you play, this is the place to start. All down at Relive Campers.